Today, we're going to learn how to ask questions with where is and how to answer with it is in. This will help you describe where things are. Can you say them with me? Where is, it is in. Let's start by asking the question. If you want to know where a thing is, you can say, where is the thing? Where is the table? Can you say it with me? Where is the table? Now, if someone asks you where something is, you can answer by saying, it is in the place. It is in the dining room. Can you say it with me? It is in the dining room. Now, let's ask the question and say the answer. Where is the table? It is in the dining room. Can you say it with me? Where is the table? It is in the dining room. Practice time. Now, let's do some fun examples together. I will ask you questions and you can help me answer them. Where is the toilet? It is in the bathroom. Where is the bed? It is in the bedroom. Where is the sofa? It is in the living room. Where is the table? It is in the dining room. Fantastic work today. You learned how to ask where is and answer with it is in. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, friends.